Hello guys, me and Jack are gonna play White Noise.
Unfortunately.
I know, God bless. Jack, what do you think of this game so far?
Fucking scary.
It's like Slender.
Do not buy this game.
Yeah, 69p, deal lads.
On Xbox.
I know. This game is scary as fuck.
Yes. Tell me.
You're not scared, man. Shut up, the light didn't scare me. By the way, Ben Phillips, if you're watching this, sorry bro. Sorry, I said that. Well, Elliot then, you piece of shit. Fuck's that? Oh. Yeah, they dead people on that. Are you in a museum now? What the fuck are you? Wait, was that blood on that? Turn around. Turn around. Look at that. Is that... No, that... Is that blood?
Hands open.
What's that?
Blood.
Right, run! Da, 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 da. Right. Yeah. Right. Get it. Right, this one starts coming after you. Right, we got 2 minutes left, guys. Just because I don't have enough storage, I'm gonna have to delete some shit. This will be uploaded today, probably. It depends. No. Where is it? Wait, look around first before you start moving.
It's over there.
Is he? Where? Oh. Where is he?
Not there now.
Get over. Do not turn. There he is, fat fuck. Run, don't run. Keep an eye on him walking back. Keep an eye on his ass. You still there? Where's that? Scary, just because he can teleport right beside you. Wait until you think start splashing that. Fucking hell. I'm scared. Oh, there he is, there's the fat fuck.
He's teleported again.
I keep getting chills, lads. On ladettes. Right, there he is. How long you got left? Not left. Right, look. You don't want to stay near him and look away for too long though. There's blood, lads. If someone... fucking run! Fuck! I wish I recorded that then. I won't record it, but I won't look at... Right, if me and Jack, you don't see us anymore in a couple of days, we're dead.
This could be a bitch.
Got a minute left before the recording stops. So I'm after this and doing some stuff. Because I'm running all through these. Or 4 of them. Fuck it. Right, 2! He's got 2. Come on, lad. Come on, Jock. You got this.
Yeah, it's dark quite well though.
Someone... Oh my god. Can we use that on him?
No.
Fucking game. This game is scary. Let us know if you want us to play more games like this.
No! You
Yeah.
subscribe never and I'll kill you.
You won't really. I'll fucking kill you, you piece of shit. Where is it?
I don't know.
Fucking hell! Run! Is it still there?
No!
It's still falling right. Oh, it's fucking it. Keep moving. No, man, not that way! Go that way!